Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. Also, if anybody is new here, hello, hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel where I like to do Boxycharm unboxings as well as beauty reviews and makeup tutorials. And if you want to show your girl some love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join my fam. And if you guys are interested in learning which items I got in this month's box, then please keep on watching. The theme for this month's box is express yourself, and this is what she looks like. Definitely channeling Pride vibes, which I absolutely love because it is Pride Month. The first item in the box that I'm going to talk about is from Eloise Beauty, and it is their Sahara Nights eyeshadow palette. It has 6 unique, sparkly, highly pigmented shimmers that will truly leave your nights golden. And this is for $35. She's 35. It comes with these 6 shades, absolutely stunning. This is the one I used today on my eyes, so you guys can see. Gorgeous! And then it comes with these cute names as well. Okay, the next item in the box is from Politician Beauty. This is their Tumeric Brightening Polish. It's a scrub and it's powered by Tumeric. It's supposed to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. This is for $38. This is what it looks like. Just open it up for you guys. It doesn't really come with a scent to me, and if it is, it's like very subtle. I would definitely use this as an exfoliator for my face, or if you do like a spray tan to get, you know, your skin nice and exfoliated, I would use that. Also for after a spray tan, when it's towards the end of it, when it gets kind of splotchy, just to get the excess off, I would definitely probably use this. So yeah. Next item in the box is from Juice Beauty. This is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. Kind of excited about this one. I haven't used it yet, mostly because I forgot that there was a retinol in here, but this is what it looks like. Super sleek packaging. This is a clean vegan 2.5 bioretinol serum, and it has primrose to assure stability and avoid toxic chemicals. And it also has skin rescuing technologies to help your skin looking youthful while you sleep. Hey, who doesn't love that? And it says that this serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. She's a little expensive. She retails for $72, which is a pretty penny. So I'm really interested to see if this really works because, you know, some skincare is very pricey. Let me just try putting a little bit on my hand. Oh. This is what it looks like. It's not what I pictured. There was gonna be like a clear serum, but this is like a cream. Oh. It smells like pineapple or something. That's what it said. No, it doesn't say anything about pineapple. It kind of smells, it kind of has like a strong fragrance. It smells like pineapple or lemon or something. But it does feel smooth on the skin, on the back of my hand anyways. Okay, moving on to the next item in the box. This is from Kesmet. I think that's how you say it. And this is their Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. It says sweet and soft as a baby, and the shade is called Baby, by the way. This gloss offers an ideal pinky nude pout. It says that it's perfect for everyday gloss, plump your lips and reduce wrinkles in one simple swipe. It says that it's a lightweight treatment, moisturizes and provides natural glossy finish. This is what Miss Baby looks like. It's like this pinky, it's like in a plastic component, $18. And when they said plumping, because I used this before, I thought it was an actual lip plumper, you know, the ones that are like tingly and like make your lips look hella big. But I used it and I did not feel any of that, so I don't know if it's necessarily a lip plumping gloss or if they just like use that as like an adjective to like describe the gloss. So I'm gonna put a little bit on just to show you guys. This is what the applicator looks like. It smells good. It smells sweet, like cookies or something. I'm just gonna put a little bit on so you guys can see. Oh yeah. It definitely feels very nice on the lips. Moisturizing, but no tingling sensation whatsoever. So I think it's just like to describe it. So I wouldn't say that this is like a plumping, like an actual plumper. Yeah. Okay. Moving on to the final item in the box. We're already there. This is Moonlit by Michaela. Loon number 49. It is, oh, it's a lip pencil. That's what it is. Talk, smirk, laugh, grin. Your lovely lips will communicate so much every day. Why not sense your style as well? It says it's comfortable all day wear. It's a lipstick. It says it's buttery moisturizing formula, and it has color payoff as well. And it's super easy just to put in your makeup bag. I must say though, when I did try using this to just do a little swatch of it, the thing actually broke off. So I'm just being honest with you guys. As soon as I tried like putting it on my hand like very lightly, the tip of it like fell off. It only looks like this because I sharpened it for this video, but I will give you guys a little, you see that shade? It's a very pretty shade. I think I should have used it today, but that's okay. It does feel very creamy though. It feels very nice and soft. So yeah. But yeah, she retails for $18. And those are all of the items in this month's box. So let me add it up for you guys. Where's my phone? $35, $38, $72, 18, and another 18. So this month's box is $181. Sorry, I don't know why that took me so long. Just got an instant notification. So $181 for this month's box, and your girl paid $30, which isn't bad at all. And yeah, and that is the Express Yourself June's Boxycharm box. That is it for me, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and give your girl a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Show your girl some love. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.